Hi, I'm Mangaliso. And today we're gonna try and catch ourselves some gold diggs. Let's do this, guys. Hello there, gorgeous.
Hi.
Do you mind if I join you?
I guess.
I've been looking at you, sitting all alone, stuff like that. Yeah, I was wondering maybe sometime we can go out, get a cup of coffee or something like that, get to know each other.
I'm married, thanks.
No, I don't think so.
No, not really.
Are you sure? Can I at least get your number?
Yeah, I'm sure I have a boyfriend.
Sorry, boss. Gotta go. It's time for your meeting.
Oh, okay, thanks, man. Such a shame. Such a shame. I really would have loved to, get to know you
Is this
better.
your boss?
You're such a gorgeous woman.
Please go on.
Yeah, I'll see you. Take care of yourself.
Bye. Sorry, you said that's your boss.
She owns a couple of the hotels around here.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, sorry. You know what? I do have some time today, so maybe we can go get some coffee.
No.
Or can I give you my number?
No, please just hop in. Go for
Seriously?
a ride. Yeah.
I'm not really married, I was just kidding.
Oh, okay. So why not roll with me?
Okay.
Sure, hop in.
It's Law.
Sorry, you're a gold digger, and I'm not interested.